Today's video isn't really a tutorial. It's more of like a joke, and you get to like laugh and see me like make myself look stupid because I'm curling my doll's hair today, and I'm not really good at it. I mean, like, I'm pretty decent at it. Like, sometimes when I curl their hair, it comes out like a curl, and other times I curl their hair, it comes out like a hot tangled mess. So it's gonna be pretty funny to see like how the outcome of this will like turn out. And if her hair comes out tangly a mess, I'm still gonna upload this video because, like I said, it's a joke. So if you want to, you can like try this, but like do it at like your own risk because like I'm not telling you to do it, okay? I'm not teaching you how to do it. I'm just making this video all for like entertainment purposes because why not? So yeah, I'm curling Skylar's hair today, and her hair is very thick, and I've curled her hair once before with like curlers, but like I braid curl her hair like a lot. But yeah, I've curled her hair with curlers once, and her hair came out so like nice and pretty and not a hot mess. So yeah, I don't really curl her hair that often because her hair is really thick, and it takes 3 hours to curl because her hair is really thick and it's really long. So I guess I don't do it. So I'm gonna do it today because she wanted her hair curled before she gets her hair cut. So yeah, if you want to see me cut her hair, you should like comment down below, and maybe like I'll do that video of like cutting my doll's hair because I've cut Dakota's hair and I've cut Mackenzie's hair, and I feel like I cut somebody else's hair. But yeah, so anyways, with that being said, we're going to get started with the video, and go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and like this video because hopefully you're going to get a pretty good laugh at this, because whenever I curl my doll's hair, I'm always irritated because, I don't know, I'm just always irritated when I curl their hair, and yeah, so that is that, and share this video so that like I can get some more views, and comment down below hair videos that you want to see because it's summertime, and I have on my doll summer bucket list that I want to make more hair videos because I really don't have that many hair videos on my channel. So yeah, and since like it's summer, I usually post on Saturdays a hair video, but I'm just really just gonna post it whenever I feel like it. So yeah, so let's get started with this video. Okay, so the stuff that I'm using is I'm using this brush, a toothbrush, a bowl of water, which I can't show you the water because obviously it's going to spill, some curlers because obviously like we're curling her hair, a hair clippy and hair tie so I can like have the hair like out of my way and just have the section that I'm dealing with. And then lastly, our handy dandy spray bottle with Pantene conditioner. It took me forever like for that to pop in my mind. I totally went blank. And I know you're like, why do you need a bowl of water and a spray bottle? And the reason is because I honestly personally think that my doll's hair, it curls better when it is saturated with water. And I know that's horrible because you're not supposed to like saturate your doll's hair with water at all because your doll's hair can mildew and stuff. But she doesn't have a wig cap. Her hair is like sewn into her hair, and it doesn't stink and it's not mildewed, so it's fine. And I mean, like, you're curling the hair, so like you're going to need like water and stuff. And her hair, like, I literally just sprayed it and stuff like before starting this video, and her hair is like already like dried and crusty. So for her, a lot of water, it won't kill her, but I mean, obviously if you're going to like do this on an American Girl doll that has a wet cap, I wouldn't like recommend like saturating the hair. However, I do the same steps with my American Girl dolls and stuff, but like for the bowl of water, I'm using a toothbrush to like get the water and stuff, so I'm like not like being a crazy person and just like going crazy. So yeah, so that's my explanation of why I have a bowl of water and why I have my spray bottle and stuff. So now we can like, oh yeah, and also you need towels, which I can't show you because my doll is on a towel. So yeah, and she has a cape so that she doesn't get her clothes and stuff messy, because she's wearing a white t-shirt, and you know, once you get water or anything on something that's white, it's never ever ever going to come out. And I just bought this white shirt and I really really like it, so we're not trying to damage that today. So so yeah, and she has towels on the floor because I'm going to like be saturating her hair with water, and whenever I curl my doll's hair, I always make a mess. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to spray her hair, and I'm going to brush her hair and stuff, because I can't stand when all the hair is all dried up before I put the curlers in. So we're going to saturate her hair with like the spray bottle, okay, because I can't stand when like the hair is all dry before like I even get to it, because that's just like annoying, you know what I mean? So we're not having that today. So I'm gonna come back after her hair is all saturated and brushed and stuff. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a section of hair, like I'm gonna section her hair off and stuff, and I'm gonna get a section of hair to like work with while the other hair is far far away, not messing up like the other section. So we're going to do that, and actually I need a comb so that this comes out even, and I'm absolutely horrible at making my doll's hair even, but you know what, you don't really need it. You don't really need like the hair to be perfectly even when curling hair. And we're going to like put you away, put the rest of this hair in gel because it has been very very bad. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. And so I'm going to like do like one section and like show you like how to do it, then like I'll put the others in fast motion, and then like I will record when I get to the end and stuff, because nobody wants to like really see you do the same steps over and over again. So yeah, and like I said guys, this isn't a tutorial, but you know, you can like use like the stuff that I'm telling you at your own risk, you know. So yeah, I am not like I'm not teaching you like how to curl your doll's hair. I'm just like honestly doing it to like make a video that's like funny as a joke, you know, because I'm not very good at like, I mean, I can curl my doll's hair and I know how to curl it and stuff, put the rollers in it and call it a day, but me telling you how to do it, that's like something different, and I would never do that because no. So yeah, so I have her section. This is her nice, lovely section, as you can see. And I am just now realizing when I'm working on this section, you're not going to be able to see it because she has to be facing this way towards me. So I have to get my camera angles right. So hold on a minute. So now I got my camera angles where you can like see the like work being done, I guess. So you have your section. Well, I have my section, and what I'm going to do now that like it's brushed and all the other hair is out of the way and stuff is I'm going to get my toothbrush and I'm going to like section it off again and stuff. And as you can see, her hair is like dry. It's more so drier at the ends, but you know what? It's okay because that's what we have our bowl of water for, so it's okay. So what we're going to do, what I'm going to do, I don't know why I keep saying we, because like I hope that you're not like following along to this. I hope that you're just like watching it for entertainment. But anyways, we're going to get our toothbrush and we're going to dip it into our bowl of water that we have, and you want to like kind of like wring it out so that it's not too soaking wet, but you still want it to be wet, but you don't want it to be like dripping wet, if you know what I mean. So yeah, and then after you like get the water through the hair and stuff, you're going to put your curler in it, your roller in it, whatever it is called, okay? The tool, these thingies that is going to like help your girl's hair like curl. So yeah, and so I don't know if like I ever put my colors in right. I just like put them in like the way that it curls, honestly. So, and there's like many different ways to like curl your doll's hair, but I just do it the easy way. So yeah, and I'm gonna go up a little bit. Her hair is long, so like I kind of gotta like go up, because if I do it all the way at the end, it's not gonna stay. If you know what I mean. Yeah. If you curl your own hair, then you know what I mean. Yeah, and just like go and roll it and roll it and roll it. And then mine kind of like, it sits messy, but you know what, we don't really care about that, okay? She's not going out in public, okay? She's not getting her pictures taken, so she can have her rollers be messy. And I'm gonna like do it again, and then I'm gonna like fast motion like the rest, because like I said, nobody wants to see this. So yeah, and then I get to like watch my dance moms while I do this. So yeah. So anyways, we're going to. Okay, there's some even in this part. But anyways, and go up, and then we're going to roll it. And you want to have the hair like sitting all nicely and stuff. And this is gonna. And there you go. She has 2 curlers in. We have like a bajillion more to go, and we have like 2 more hours of this to go. We love this for us. What happens when your doll has thick hair, guys? So now I finished her curls and stuff, and this is what she looks like. She looks like a monster, but it's okay. So what I'm going to do last is I'm going to get my spray bottle, and I'm going to spray over the hair again, because like I said, I want to like have the hair saturated, you know, so that like it curls, because her hair, it likes to be drying and stuff. So yeah, and it's a little bit drippy, so I'm gonna just like get this, because it's making a little bit of a mess. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it in overnight, and then, or like you can like leave it in longer, but like just for like this video I will take it out tomorrow and like around, so that's what we're going to do. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day and her hair is all dried, so I'm going to take out all of these curlers and I'm going to put it in like fast motion. It looks like afterwards.
So this is the final look. This is what she looks like. So some of her curls came out really good and some of them came out super bad. So yeah, some of them came out super bad, but like it's fine. And these, like, I'll probably like get a bobby pin to like pin up out of her face and stuff. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get Skylar all dressed up in something cute to go with her hair, and I'm going to take some pictures so that you can like see more of her hair and stuff, and yeah, insert them in the video. So I'm going to go do that now. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you liked it, and even if you didn't, you should still like give it a thumbs up. And also, if you aren't already, subscribe and comment down below like more hair videos that you want to see, and I will do them. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next hair video, which will hopefully be pretty soon.